So today we've been playing cards at Llys Awelon. So I spoke to the residents last time and they thought playing cards would be a good idea. So today we've been playing a couple of games that have improved their number counting skills and addition skills. I think it's really important because the residents have said that it means that they come out and they're sociable and they talk to other people. Otherwise they're sitting in their room and they feel lonely, and also it keeps their minds active. That's another thing that they've highlighted. It's great to keep thinking all the time.
I'm sure it's a big help to keep the mind active. Anything you practice doing does strengthen your ability, not just in that direction but in other things as well. It makes you able to concentrate on what has gone. I think the trick with a game like this is to remember how far back certain cards have gone that are going to be of help to you. Anything that gets us out of our rooms and mixing with 4 or 5 other people for any purpose at all is valuable.
Oh, I love this. I love coming to the different things that we've had, you know, and the company is more than everything. You know, we're always having a good laugh about what one does or what the other one does, and there's no animosity, you know, amongst us.